Hello everyone. Today I am back again and will do the second part of active voice and passive voice. In the earlier class we did how to change the active voice sentences into passive voice where the 12 tenses were concerned. और आपको याद होगा that only 8 tenses have the passive construction. Today we will go with some other sentences. Interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, sentences with two objects and so on. तो चलते हैं with imperative sentences first. Friends, what do you mean by imperative sentences? Sentences which express advice, suggestion, request or command. इनको हम कहते हैं imperative sentences. Sentences containing command or order generally start with let in the passive form. So कैसे उसको change करेंगे? See, cook the food. This is the sentence in the active voice. इसको हम passive में कैसे करेंगे? How do you convert this sentence into passive? Start the passive voice with let. Let the food be cooked. Cook is the verb, so this will be in the third form. So this is the way how we change the sentences, the imperative sentences into the passive voice. Open the door. Now this sentence नहीं बताता है whether it is an order, whether it is a request or so on. So when we don't know as to whether it is an order or whether it is a request होता तो you are requested to open the door. This is the way we change. But यहाँ पे we don't know whether it's a request. Please नहीं है आगे, तो इसको कैसे change करेंगे? Let the door be opened. Now it may be that active voice starts with let. So not to get confused, do not worry कि इसको हम कैसे change करेंगे. If the active voice starts with let, the passive voice also will start with let and will change this verb do into the third form. So let the work be done by him. इस तरह से this sentence is changed into the passive voice. I hope this thing is clear. Great. चलते हैं आगे. You can change the sentences containing command or order into passive voice. कैसे? You are ordered to, उससे भी हम sentence को कर सकते हैं. But better way. Anyway, exam में आपको तो change नहीं करना है. You have to select the option and the option will be given with let. Yes. Let's move on. The sentences which give suggestion are changed into the passive by adding the modal should, suggesting the correctness and the obligation. So, अगर कोई suggestion वाला sentence है, then passive के अंदर should आना चाहिए. For example, respect elders in the family. Respect the elders in the family, and this applies to all of us. So, how is the passive sentence made of this? Elders in the family should be respected. Yes, respect verb है. Sorry, respect is the verb. तो ये third form आ गया, and this should will be reflected over here. So, elders in the family should be respected. इस तरीके से हमको ये change करना है. Follow your dreams. Yes, you all should follow your dreams. सपने देखो और सपनों को follow करिए. Chase your dreams. So follow your dreams. How this sentence is changed into passive? Your dreams should be followed. I hope the thing is clear. इसके अंदर you have to make the use of should where suggestions are concerned. Next, obey the traffic rules. Yes, answer आ गया दिमाग में. The traffic rules should be obeyed. The traffic rules should be obeyed. Obey is the verb. So obeyed का third form obeyed रहेगा and should आ जाएगा इसके अंदर. The traffic rules should be obeyed. So this is the way how the sentences are changed from active into passive where suggestions are there. कैसे ऐड करते हैं? We should add the modal verb should. Should be given over here. Move on ahead. Sentences with two objects. When there are two objects in an active sentence, there are two possible passive sentences. जब दो object होंगे, so दो passive sentences possible है. Yes, take the example. The farmer gave the cows some hay and oats. So who is the subject over here? The farmer. The farmer is the subject. Gave is the verb. The cows is one subject. मैं इसको लिख देता हूँ. Sorry, is one object. Object one and some hay and oats is the object number 7. So इसको हम कैसे change करेंगे? So there are two objects in each of the above sentences. One is the cows and other is some hay and oats. So this sentence can be converted in this way. The cows were given some hay and oats by the farmer. तो यहाँ पे this cow था, यहाँ पे इसको use कर लिया हमने. This object I have taken over here and I retain this object as it is. The other way of changing this sentence. Now अब मैं इसको लेके आ गया था, second object था, इसको second object से भी start कर सकते हैं. तो some hay and oats were given to the cows by the farmer. Give is the verb, तो given आ जाएगा इसका third form over here. Yes, I hope this sentence is also clear where two objects are there in the passive voice. Changing the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, the question sentences. The primary auxiliary verbs do, does, did, they do not appear in the passive voice. Yes, even though the sentence starts with this auxiliary verb do, does, did, that will not be reflected in the passive voice. They get converted to the form of the verb to be. What is to be? Is, am, are, has, have and so on. They are called as the be verbs. Does Ronnie like painting? So how we change it? तो does नहीं आएगा इसके अंदर. Is painting liked by Ronnie? If you get confused as to कैसे आना चाहिए, make the things very very simple for you. घबराना मत इससे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस से. अगर ऐसा होता है तो मन ही मन में और just change this sentence into affirmative sentence. इसको पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस कर दो. तो does Ronnie like painting? Yes. तो इसको हम कैसे करेंगे? Ronnie liked painting. I am giving a trick as to if you get confused as to interrogative sentences में हम उसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करें. जरा भी चिंता मत करना, इसको पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में कर लो. Does Ronnie like painting? Ronnie liked painting. Yes, Ronnie liked painting. अब इसको चेंज कर लो. Is painting, now make this into passive voice. Is painting, sorry, I'm sorry. Painting is liked by Ronnie. इसका हमने सेंटेंस क्या बनाया दिया था? Ronnie liked painting. Yes. So if the sentence is interrogative, convert it into affirmative sentence first. अब इसका पैसिव बनाओ. Ronnie liked painting. Painting is liked by Ronnie. बन गया. Now we want the interrogative. तो interrogative कैसा बनेगा? Start the sentence with the helping verb, end it with a question mark. So आपको ये sentence आ जाएगा सामने. Is painting liked by Ronnie? I hope the thing is clear now. Interrogative sentence है. If you are confused, change it into affirmative sentence. उसका पैसिव बनाओ और उसके पैसिव में से start the sentence with the helping verb, end it with a question mark. The sentence is converted into the interrogative statement. Very simple. Next, did Ronnie like painting? So past tense है. Past tense के अंदर helping verbs क्या होते हैं? Was, were. Painting is singular, hence was painting liked by Ronnie. Was painting liked by Ronnie. Next one. The verbs has, have, had, will, shall, can, may, etc. do not change their position at the beginning of the sentence when the active voice is changed to the passive voice. So इनकी positions will be intact. Their position cannot be changed. For example, has he done his homework? So this देखोगे has से start हो रहा है. So this has से ही passive start होगा. Has his homework been done by him? ये he है. This will change into him. Yes, his homework से start करेंगे. His homework and then done changes into been plus the third form. So has he done his homework? So has his homework been done by him? So the position of these helping verbs has, have, had will remain एज इट इज, उसको चेंज मत करना. द क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स, WH words, what, when, where, how. What, do not change their position at the beginning of the sentence when they are changed into the passive voice. जैसे helping words में था has, have, had. Similarly, what, when, where, why, they also remain as it is. उनकी जगह आपको नहीं छेड़नी है. But who changes to by whom and whom changes into who. Yes, this is what you have to remember. Who changes into by whom in the passive and whom from the active voice is changed into who in passive voice. Some examples आपके समक्ष. What did the leader say to his followers? So what से है? So again the sentence will start with what. This is what the rule says. This is what the rule says. Now, whom did you greet at the party? Whom है changes into who. So who were greeted by you at the party. So अगर who आता है changes into by whom. For example, नहीं उसके अंदर I'll give the example of it. I'll give an example of it. Who also. Who did that work? I'll give an example with who. How you change it now? Who changes into by whom. So by whom was that work done? So when starts with who, it changes into by whom, and जब whom से है, it changes into who. This is what this rule tells us. I hope this is clear with everyone. Let's move ahead. कुछ और देखते हैं. Some important questions for you to practice. So friends, we have done all the 12 tenses. We have done imperative sentences. We have done interrogative sentences. We have done sentences showing suggestions. Then question words what, when, where, who, whom and so on. अब सब हम कर चुके हैं. Now let us take some practice for this. And very important questions these. Yes, बहुत काम आएंगे आपको एग्जाम में. We waste much time on trifles. What is trifles? Unimportant matters. Now options in front of you. Much time was wasted on trifles. Much time will be wasted on trifles. Much time is wasted by us on trifles, or much time is wasted on trifles. First टेंस देखो कौन सा है. We waste. प्रेजेंट टेंस है तो दिस इज डिस्कार्डेड, दिस इज डिस्कार्डेड. एलिमिनेशन प्रोसेस करना. नाउ दोनों चीज बचती है तो मच टाइम इज वेस्टेड बाय अस ऑन ट्रिपल्स और मच टाइम इज वेस्टेड ऑन ट्रिपल्स. व्हाट शुड बी देयर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, बिकॉज इसके अंदर बाय अस नहीं है. वी विल चेंज इनटू अस. We will change into us. In this, the subject is not specified, so this also is an incorrect option. And other two were eliminated because the tenses were different. Explanation वही है. The sentence is in the passive voice and the tense and verb match the subject. Us and we are matching over here. चलते हैं एक और interesting sentence पे. The money was stolen by an employee of the bank. Which form is it? Is it an active voice or the sentence is in passive voice? Is the subject doing something? No. The money was stolen by an employee. इसका active voice क्या बनता है? इसे आपको ढूंढना है. An employee of the bank had stolen the money. An employee of the bank steal the money. An employee of the bank stole the money. The money can be stolen by an employee. अब एलिमिनेशन प्रोसेस पे आ जाओ सीधे. हेड स्टोलन तो हो नहीं सकता है, दिस इज आउट बिकॉज द सेंटेंस इज नॉट इन द परफेक्ट टेंस. एंड इसको भी हटा सकता था. एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द बैंक स्टोल द मनी, ये रखेंगे स्टील. स्टील, स्टोल, स्टोलन. स्टील, स्टोल, स्टोलन. सो द मनी वॉज स्टोलन बाय द बैंक. तो स्टोलन यहाँ पे थर्ड फॉर्म है, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा फॉर्म लगेगा? सेकंड फॉर्म आना चाहिए उसके अंदर, एक्टिव वॉइस के अंदर. सो सी बिकम्स द करेक्ट आंसर. एंड बिकॉज वाई कैन बी स्टोलन, पैसा चोरी किया जा सकता है. सो दिस ऑल्सो इज एलिमिनेटेड आउट. सो बचता है दिस ऑल्सो एलिमिनेटेड आउट. नो डाउट यू आर लेफ्ट विथ ओनली वन ऑप्शन, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ये आपके सामने एक्सप्लेनेशन है. एंड एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द बैंक हैज स्टोलन द मनी, टेंस हैज चेंज्ड. एंड एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द बैंक स्टील द मनी, incorrect word. Why? This is there. An employee of the bank stole the money. This is correct. And this also the tense has changed because can be stolen. चलते हैं with the next one. The task would have been completed by that time tomorrow. So identify that tense and accordingly then choose the correct option. Someone will complete the task by that time tomorrow. Someone will be completing. Discarded. Completing आ रहा है. Now उसमें से 3. Someone would have completed the task by that time tomorrow. Someone will have completed the task by that time tomorrow. The task would have been completed by that time tomorrow. This the sentence is given in the passive. आपको इसका एक्टिव करना है. So someone is missing over here. तो someone यहाँ पे subject है. So what should be the correct option? ध्यान से देखिए. Have you come up with the correct answer? No. The correct answer is C over here. Someone would have completed. Say this, would have. Someone would have completed. ये will हो जाएगा तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. ये will हो जाएगा. ये also will be wrong. तो someone would have completed the task by that time tomorrow. So you have to be very careful. Future perfect tense में sentence है. The other tenses or in other option the tense has changed. सब में will have will आ गया है. So straightforward crystal clear answer is option number C. Moving on ahead with the next one. The boys elected Virat captain. Options. The boys were elected captain by Virat. द बॉयज ने विराट को कैप्टन बनाया, इलेक्ट किया. विराट ने थोड़ी बच्चों को इलेक्ट किया, तो ये गलत हो जाता है. विराट इज इलेक्टेड कैप्टन बाय द बॉयज. विराट वॉज इलेक्टेड बाय कैप्टन बाय द बॉयज. विराट एंड द बॉयज इलेक्टेड द कैप्टन. किसको इलेक्ट किया? तो दिस ऑल्सो इज इनकरेक्ट. इसके अंदर कौन सा टेंस यूज हो रहा है? प्रेजेंट. इसके अंदर पास्ट है. सो व्हाट शुड बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन शुड बी C straight way. Virat was elected captain by the boys. The sentence is in past tense, so is elected नहीं हो सकता है. And other sentences, the meaning changes. The meaning has changed. Meaning बदल चुका है इसके अंदर. इसका meaning होता है बच्चों को विराट ने कैप्टन बनाया. विराट और बच्चों ने कैप्टन बनाया. But the sentence is the boys elected Virat captain. Next, you don't need to wind this watch. What is wind? This is not wind, this is wind. Chavi bharna. Yes. This watch need not be wound. This watch does not wind. Yes. This watch need not be wounded, or this watch need not be winded up. Yes. Eliminate करना start करो. Which of them looks to be incorrect? This is incorrect, or winded up, wound, wounded or wound. क्या आना चाहिए? The correct answer is over here. ये wounded हो जाता है and winded up. The form of the verbs are incorrect. The form of the verbs are incorrect. So wind का forms होते हैं wind, wound and wound. Wind, wound and wound. Wounded नहीं होता है. Next one. We have already done the exercise. Not this one. ये किसी ने नहीं किया, आज हम कर रहे हैं. But the statement is we have already done the exercise. The options: already the exercise has been done by us. The exercise has already been done by us. The exercise had been already done by us. The exercise is already done by us. लुक एट द सेंटेंस, कौन से टेंस में है? द सेंटेंस इज इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. So what should be the correct answer? The correct answer is option number B. Sorry, the option already been, because ये past में जा रहा है. This is ये नहीं होगा. This also is none. Already the exercise has been done by us. Is incorrect usage. The exercise has already been done by us. So active passive is not difficult. Practice करो, आराम से you can score. And whatever rules we have done till now, yes, brush up those rules, ध्यान से पढ़ो, practice करना, and you can easily score full marks where sentences of active passive voice are concerned. One should not give unsolicited advice. Unsolicited advice is not to be given. Unsolicited advice can't be given. Unsolicited advice may not be given, or unsolicited advice should not be given. सजेशन है, सजेशन के अंदर शुड आता है. इन अदर वर्ब्स इफ यू जस्ट सी, किसके अंदर आ रहा है? सिर्फ इसके अंदर आ रहा है. तो व्हाट शुड बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. स्ट्रेट वे ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट आप इनको डिलीट और एलिमिनेट आउट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, एक और सेंटेंस आपके लिए. सो एक्सप्लेनेशन इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस है. The old lady touched and petted the cow. What is petted? थपथपाना. See the options. Some interesting options. The cow petted and touched the old lady. Old lady ने cow को थपथपाया या cow ने थपथपाया? तो this is eliminated out. Petting ing form में हट जाएगा. The cow was touched and petted by the old lady. हो सकता है the petted cow touched the old lady. This is incorrect. So the cow was touched and petted by the old lady. This is the only correct option which is possible. So hence the correct answer is C from the other four. Yes, I hope things are very clear. चलते हैं एक नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल को लेके. The rising gale fanned the smoldering fire. The smoldering fire was fanned by the rising gale. The smoldering fire is fanned. Past tense के अंदर है, present हट जाएगा. The fan was smoldered by the rising gale. Fan was not smoldered. The gale fanned the smoldering fire. The fire was smoldered. And the smoldered fire was being fanned by the rising gale. So what is the correct option now from these two? बचे दो हैं. The smoldering fire was fanned. Yes, fanned है, past tense है, so it will be was fanned. And ये क्यों नहीं होगा? ing फॉर्म जिसके अंदर लगा हुआ है. So sentence देख के ही, options देख के ही straight way you should come to know. तो read the sentence carefully. Just identify which form or which tense is it. Present tense के अंदर what are the helping verbs? Is, am, are. Past tense के अंदर was, were. Future के अंदर will be and shall be. Plus verb always changes into the third form of the verb. और दो rules और बताए थे. If the sentence is in the ing form, then what we do? We make it being plus the third form. This I have told you in the earlier class. And if the sentence itself is in third form, then इसको कैसे चेंज करते हैं? It is being plus the third form of the verb. So remember these rules. Active passive voice is very easy. One more example. Yes, past tense का sentence था ये. The pilot landed the plane safely. तो which tense I have used? Past tense. क्या helping verb रहेंगे? Yes, what will be the helping verbs? Was and were. As per the thing we are talking. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? The pilot landed the plane. So what should be the passive voice? The plane was landed safely. Subject आ जाएगा by the pilot. तो पहले आप पैसिव बना लो स्ट्रेट वे. नाउ गो टू द ऑप्शन. कौन सा आ रहा है उसके अंदर? द प्लेन was landed safely by the pilot. This is our answer. Yes, see there, you have hit the nail. 100% marks आ जाएंगे आपके. So most and look, they have painted the door. They have painted the door. तो कैसे चेंज करोगे? They have painted the door. The door has been painted. The door has been painted. कहाँ पे आ रहा है? The door has been painted. See, being आ रहा है. Had been wrong हो जाएगा. Was is incorrect. Look, the door has been painted is the correct answer. So don't be surprised by such words. Let the words be as it is. उनको मत छेड़ो. बाकी सेंटेंस को आप पैसिव में करके देखिए. So correct answer is C. Exclamatory sentence and present perfect tense. Next, Rohan gave the beggar an old shirt. Gave the beggar. So which tense? Gave क्या हो जाएगा? Was given. ढूंढो उसके अंदर से. अच्छा, सब में इसके अंदर नहीं है. Was gave गलत हो गया. Was gave गलत हो गया. Now see this. An old shirt was given to Rohan by the beggar. Beggar ने रोहन को दिया या रोहन ने beggar को दिया था. So an old shirt was given to the beggar by Rohan. By Rohan. So this is the correct answer. B is the correct option for this one. Next one. I expect you to complete this work before sunset. I expect you to be completed this work. क्या अजीब सा मीनिंग हो गया इसका. I am expected you. What is I am expected? गलत होगा. You are expected to complete this work before sunset and you are expected to be completed. ये क्या? You are expected to be completed. तुमको थोड़ी complete होना है. The work has to be completed. Yes. So this also is incorrect. What is left out? C is the correct answer for this one. Imperative sentence का ये example है. Moving on to the penultimate question for today. Leo Tolstoy wrote War and Peace. Identify the tense, past tense. Object क्या है? Name of the book, War and Peace. Subject कौन है? Tolstoy or Leo Tolstoy. So War and Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy, is written, will be written. So सीधे ये गलत हो गया. Will be written, was being written. What is the correct one? War and Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy. And finally moving on to the last sentence for today where active passive voice is concerned. Correct answer is A. Somebody told me that there had been an explosion in the town hall. There had been. इस पे ध्यान रखना. Up sentence will be very easy. Now, I was told by somebody about the explosion in the town hall. I was told about the explosion in the town hall. I was informed that there was an explosion in the town hall, or I was told by somebody that there had been an explosion in the town hall. Now I want the answer from you. आप इस sentence को अपने आप करिए and whatever answer it is, give the answer in the comment box. So friends, this is all for today. Where active passive voice is concerned, practice, practice and practice. Active passive voice is one of the easiest topic where grammar is concerned. Subject verb agreement थोड़ा सा confusing हो जाता है, but active passive voice is very simple. So I'll just repeat those things. Helping verbs ध्यान रखना in present tense. The helping verbs are is MR. In past, the helping verbs are was were. In future, the helping verbs क्या है? Will or shall be. This you have to remember. Plus, what you have to remember? 4 tenses do not have the passive construction. All perfect continuous tense, all perfect continuous tenses, and चौथा कौन सा है? फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. एंड फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस they do not have passive voice, no passive for these 4 tenses. है ना, ये चीज याद रखनी है. चेंज ऑफ प्रोनाउन, आई, मी, वी changes to us and vice versa, you as it is, he, him, she, her, it as it is, they, them. And finally, अगर verb होता है ing form में in the active voice, it becomes being plus the third form of the verb. And if in active voice the verb itself is in third form, then it becomes being plus the third form of the verb. So these are the things you have to remember. Rest active passive voice is very easy. So enjoy learning and all the very best. Thank you.